front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Notifications and Status bar. Then select Manage All and click on blue switcher next to any app from which you want to block notifications. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switchers. If you want to, you can also scroll down over here instead of tapping on Manage All and click on one of your apps. Then use this switcher next to Allow Notifications to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!